Hi guys, it's me, Gordon from GDUBTV. Today we're going to check out a brand new product from our friends at Creative Covers, which is a cab blind for the outside of the T6 project. Let's do it. So if you've been watching the channel a little while, you might have seen on the T5 project that I had, the van before this one, my friends at Creative Covers sent me an internal cab blind set, which was basically a blind that went on the inside of the windscreen, one that went on the passenger's door, one that went on the driver's door, and they were held on with magnets. A little link will just pop up at the top if you want to click on that and watch that. And so now I've got the T6 project. Those guys have been working on an external cab blind made of really heavy duty waterproof material that wraps around these outside windows all the way around. That way it stops condensation, it's completely blackout. Sounds like a great product, so let's check it out. And so I've got one here just stored in the door card. It's not that big. Creative Covers, it comes in this handy little carry case. I've already actually had this out of the case and it does pack down into this handy little case. Fits easily in there, which is kind of where you're going to need it, or you can just put it in one of your lockers in your units. I've obviously got these beautiful units here with a few cupboards. So it's got a little zip, goes all the way around, and then it just opens out. You can see here, this is like a heavy duty material. I think it's 600 denier, it's completely black. It's kind of got a bit of a waxy feel to it, kind of like heavy duty tent material, so it wouldn't soak or hold any water. Okay guys, so I've got the external curtain wrap out and ready. We're going to put a timer on the bottom of the screen and we're just going to check how long it takes from start to finish to get this on the van. Let's do it. Okay, it's taking a minute or two just to find out where the top is. Oh my life. There we go, I think that's the top. So we've wasted about 20 seconds just doing that, but this hooks over this top window just here. And then it's just a case literally of walking all the way around the van. And then we're going to slide this over this top door here. Okay, and then we're going to pull off these Velcro straps. And then these are just going to go on here. Then there are these little pulley cords. Okay, let's stop the clock. So I don't know what the time is there, but that literally felt like maybe 2 minutes. I wasted 30 seconds. It's obviously a big bit of material, so just trying to figure out which way's the top, which way's the bottom. But as you can see, it's a great fit. So that's that on the van. As you can see, it's a lovely fit. It's absolutely gorgeous. The shape of this, because T5s and T6s are exactly the same. You can buy whatever one and it will fit your vehicle. But as you can see, that's a lovely fit. The only difference is on the T6, the front end's different, but all the windscreen and everything else is exactly the same design. So as you can see, that's an absolutely perfect fit. We've got it all nicely tight and secure there. It's made of 600 denier fabric, completely blackout. The stitching along here, I don't know if you can see it, but it's really, really strong. It's really good. It's not going to fall apart. These are actually selling, I think, for £30 at the moment. They've had a discount on eBay, but it's well worth checking these guys out. I think this is a brilliant solution for your vehicle. When they said they were going to get one and send it to me to check it out, I've used the window wipers to hold it down, but the same on this side. That's all on. We'll just check out inside and see if we can see any daylight. So just to say, I've not fitted my van shade there yet, but I've got my van shades in now though, which is pretty handy. So to be seen in a future video, check those out, beautiful. But yeah, you can see like That material is completely blackout. There's a tiny little gap there, but no one's going to be peeping through there. And then the same there, look, that's like you can barely see a thing through there. And so seeing that from back here in your bed, no one's going to be able to see through there at all. So that's brilliant. So there we go, guys. That looks pretty smart. The guys at Creative Covers are selling these for $29.99 on their eBay shop at the moment. There'll be a link in the description. They gave me this one for free to check it out. I did a review on the last one and I think it shifted a few units. But guys, I'd recommend this. This is really good quality. It's quite big, so if it was like soaking raining wet and you was having to put it up, that'd be a bit of a faff. But it's great. It does what it says on the tin. Water would literally just run off of this. It's really well made. It's really great fabric for 30 quid. Like the other ones, I think are 50, 60 pounds for the internal set that I'd reviewed before. So this is great value. You can just stick in a cupboard or in a door unit for when you need it. It packs down really nicely, like you saw at the start. The fabric's really good. It's blackout. And so you could do a lot worse than that. I've seen people selling these for upwards near £100. So it's a great price, 30 quid for a product like that. It's brilliant. Link in the description. Massive thank you for the guys at Creative Covers for giving me the opportunity to review it. Guys, if you've liked this video, found it helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. It makes a massive difference. And don't forget to subscribe. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.